When planning changes in information technology, IT, it is essential to ensure you have the right knowledge and strategies in place. Here's how you can approach it effectively. But before diving deeper into the fascinating information technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. Information technology, IT, encompasses the use of computers, software, networks, and systems to process, store, retrieve, and transmit information. Here's a simplified breakdown of how IT works. Hardware. IT begins with physical components like servers, computers, networking devices, and storage systems. These devices serve as the backbone, enabling data storage, processing, and communication. Software. Software programs and applications run on hardware, enabling users to perform specific tasks. Operating systems manage hardware resources, while applications provide functionalities like word processing, communication, and database management. Data. It is fundamentally about managing data. Systems collect, organize, and store information in databases, ensuring it can be accessed, analyzed, and used for decision-making. Networks. Networking connects devices, allowing data to flow seamlessly between systems. This includes local networks, LAN, wide area networks, WAN, and the Internet, enabling communication and data sharing on a global scale. Cloud computing. Modern IT often utilizes cloud technologies, enabling data storage and application hosting on remote servers. This provides scalability, accessibility, and cost efficiency. Security. Protecting data and systems is a critical part of IT. This involves implementing cybersecurity measures such as firewalls, encryption, and monitoring to safeguard against threats. Support and maintenance. IT teams ensure systems run smoothly by troubleshooting issues, updating software, and maintaining hardware. Regular maintenance minimizes downtime and improves efficiency. Automation and AI. Advanced IT systems leverage automation and artificial intelligence, AI, to streamline processes, enhance decision-making, and improve user experiences. By integrating these components, IT enables businesses and individuals to work efficiently, collaborate seamlessly, and innovate effectively in today's digital age. When planning changes in information technology, IT, it is essential to ensure you have the right knowledge and strategies in place. Here's how you can approach it effectively. Understand the current IT environment. Begin by assessing your existing IT infrastructure, systems, and processes. Identify what works well and areas that need improvement or updating. Define clear objectives. Determine what you want to achieve with the change. Whether it's improving system performance, enhancing security, or adopting new technologies, having clear goals will guide your plan. Research and evaluate options. Explore the latest IT trends and solutions that align with your objectives. This might include cloud migration, adopting automation tools, or upgrading hardware and software. Consider skills and knowledge. Ensure you or your team possess the necessary skills to implement and manage the changes. If not, invest in training or collaborate with IT experts to bridge the gap. Plan for integration and scalability. Design the changes with future growth in mind. Ensure that the new IT systems or processes integrate smoothly with existing setups and can scale as your needs evolve. Develop a step-by-step implementation plan. Outline the process for making the changes, including timelines, responsibilities, and contingency plans to address potential challenges. Test before deployment. Conduct thorough testing in a controlled environment to identify and resolve any issues before rolling out the changes across your organization. Communicate and train. Keep all stakeholders informed about the changes and provide necessary training to ensure everyone understands how to use the updated systems effectively. Monitor and optimize. After implementation, monitor the performance of the new IT setup. Collect feedback and make adjustments to ensure the changes deliver the desired results. Having a solid understanding of IT principles and practices is crucial for successful planning and implementation. With the right knowledge, you can ensure a smooth transition and achieve your IT objectives efficiently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn at 247gigs, comment Instagram at 247gigs. Be sure to visit our website at 247gigs.com for the latest in technology updates.